Hello everyone. Today we'll continue with the part 2 of the SAP PP bomb bill of material. So let's continue with this multi-level bomb. Yesterday we learned about this all what all item category used in the bomb, what are the T codes of the bomb, and what is the uses of the bomb. So today we'll continue what multi-level bomb is. So what multi-level bomb, as the name itself says that the multi-levels of the bomb. So for example, we have to create the pump. So for creating the pump, you'll be needing the casing shaft, drive wheel, shaft. But for the creation of this casing shaft, you'll be needing the slug wheel, and for this drive wheel, you'll need the slug, and for shaft, you need the slug. So this is what a multi-level bomb is. So first the single level, and as this goes down is the multi-level. So this is what we call the multi-level bombs. Now let's continue with what is recursive bomb. So recursive bomb is the product contains a component that has the same object number as the product. So best example is the curd. So if you have to make curd, you'll need the curd too. So this is called as curd. So where we have to maintain for this recursive bomb is when you go to the bomb and click on the item, see you'll get this checkbox. This is you have to click, and this says that bomb is recursive now. So how many alternate bombs you can create? So you can create up to 99 alternate bombs. So what alternate bomb means is if you have to manufacture a product, so you can manufacture that product by using different materials. So that's how we create the alternate bomb. Sometimes your customer need that, okay, you have to build this pen, for example the pen or the Pepsi bottle. So for the manufacturing of the Pepsi bottle, if you are creating a glass bottle of Pepsi, you'll be needing the glass as a bottle. The solution, everything will be the same. But for the plastic one, you'll be needing the plastic bottle. So that's why there's a requirement of the alternate bombs. So SAP allows 99 alternate bombs of a material. So this is the important one. What is low level code? Basically, this low level code is important thing, and you can be asked this question by the interviewer. What is the use of this low level code, and what low level code is? So the low level code is the lowest exclusion level on which a material occurs in all product structures. So suppose this basically uses in the MRP, material requirement planning. We'll study about the MRP in our later videos. So as of now, suppose you have to manufacture a product. So for that, you will be running an MRP. So sometimes you have that material in your stock, or sometimes you have to create a purchase requisition for that material. So there we use this low level code. So let's see an example. Okay, as of now, where you can see this material is of which level. So if we go to the material MM03 and where in the basic data material or any of the tab, if you go to that and click on this I button of the messages description, so there you'll be seeing this low level code. So this low level code, I don't have the example. Let me give you one example. So suppose for example, if you're taking the pump, and for the manufacturing the pump, you'll be needing the shaft, and for the shaft you'll be needing the slug. So when you run the MRP, so this is level 0, and this will be considered in the level 1, and this will be considered in level 2. So when you run the MRP, so first system will check, okay, do you have the stock of this one? If not, then what all products you'll be needing for that shaft. So do you have this shaft in your stock? If not, what you'll be needing to manufacture shaft? Then it will look for the slug and whether it's in stock or not. If not, then the system will create the purchase order of that, and if it's available, then it will create the planning, production orders and planning orders. And that's how this low level is being used. So very good examples, and you can be asked by the interviewer about this, what low level code is. Okay, so let's go with item control indicators. So for the recursive, you need to check that recursive checkbox. Suppose there are materials which comes out as the co-product, so we have to click on that one. So these are the things, not much of importance, but yeah, you should know about all these things. Now let's come to the deleting a bomb. Suppose you accidentally created a wrong bomb and now you want to delete it. How are you gonna delete it? So there are two ways to delete it. The first is you can delete the entire bomb, or the second is you can delete the item component only. And, and also you can select that deletion indicator if you want to delete the bomb. Now let's go with the reporting of the bomb. So T codes, there are three ways where you can see the reporting of the bomb. First is CS11, bomb level by level. So in this one, bomb level by level, you'll be shown all the levels of that material. Suppose if you have to create the pump, so it will show level by level the pump, the shaft, and the slug. So this you can see in by T code CS11. And second is CS12. This is multi-level bomb, in which it will show you like this one, that this is one, and then the 2, 3. So these are multi-level bombs. And the third is the CS13. It will show you summarized form of bomb, everything in one screen. Now if you have created a bomb and now you wanted to see where that bomb is being used, so this you can check it with T code CS15. So yeah, this is the T code where you can check where this bomb is being used. Now if you want to compare the components of the bomb, suppose you have bomb 1 and bomb 2. So for the creation of the bomb, you have the specific number of components, and for the bomb 2 you have the different number of components, and you want to compare what is matching in between these two bombs. So there's one T code CS14. You can use that and it will tell you what is matching in between these two bombs. For example, here in this diagram you can see that P1 and P2 bomb, and the components are A1, and A1 subcomponents is C2, C3, C2, C1, and for this A1, C2, C3, C2, so which all are matching is we show you as equal signs, and which are not, we show you as a not equal sign. So this is how it looks like in the SAP screen. So yeah, you can definitely check it in your SAP, and if you have any doubt, you can always put the comment in the comment section below. And yeah, if you have any doubt regarding this bomb bill of material, please do comment it. I'll try to answer each one of your questions. And yeah, please like, share, subscribe my channel. I really need your support. It gives me a motivation, and it will let me motivated to create more videos. And I'm pretty sure that you will gain a lot of knowledge by seeing this video. I know it's not um, like whatever you want to know, you can just always ping me, or yeah, I wanted to help you all, because in this pandemic so many people are really facing a lot of problems. So if I can be of any use by teaching this about this SAP, what I know, I mean, this will be really nice for me. Thank you everyone.